Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Prasad. Before I enter into the content of this video, I want you to like, subscribe my channel and pass the same to your friends and well-wishers and so on. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to frame questions using do, did, and does. Okay. You ask questions using do, did, does, and answer those questions also. That is an easy way of learning. Usage of do. We use do for I, we, you, they. We can use do for people, for students in plural form. Okay. And did is used for past action. And do and does are used for present action or daily action. Question form sentences using do. Do you like to eat sweets? Yes, I do. Or you can say, yes, I like to eat sweets. Do you like to eat mango? Yes, I like to eat mango. Do you like to eat some vegetables? Yes, I like to eat some vegetables. Next one is, do they want to swim in the river? Yes, they want to swim in the river. Do you like to play football? Yes, I like to play football. Do you like to play volleyball? Yes, I like to play volleyball. Do you like to play basketball? Yes, I like to play basketball. Like that, you can answer for the do questions. And then next one is question form sentences using did. Did is used for only for the past tense or any action that has taken in the past. Did you meet your friend? Yes, I met my friend. Did you meet your parents? Yes, I met my parents. Did you meet your class teacher? Yes, I met my class teacher. Like that, you answer. Did you paint the wall? Yes, I painted the wall. Did you complete your office work? Yes, I completed my office work. Did you complete your homework? Yes, I completed my homework. Like that, you have to answer. Okay. And next one is does. We use does only for third person singular. So if the subject is third person singular, you are using does. Does she know to sing? Yes, she knows to sing. Does she knows to dance? Yes, she knows to dance. Does she know to paint? Yes, she knows to paint. Like that, you answer. Does he want to drink milk? Yes, he wants to drink milk. Does he want to drink coffee? Yes, he wants to drink coffee. Like that. And then one more thing. Does it jump over the wall? Yes, it jumps over the wall. Like that, you can answer. This is the most simplest way, simplest form of learning spoken English or how to converse with others by using this form of sentences using do, did, and does. Okay. And don't forget to like my channel, subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon also. So have a nice time, have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, okay? So that whichever videos that I post, you can immediately get it and you learn. Make an effort to learn. Make an effort to watch my video every day, at least one video you watch, because I make a lot of effort to teach you how to speak in English, how to converse with others, how to become more familiar with English. Okay. Yes.